What's up, you guys? Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 16. I am back on my bullshit with the lemon ricotta toast. So good. If you guys have not yet tried this toast, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's a need. It's a major need in your life, and do not skip the olive oil and salt step. I'm gonna let that toast sit for a second while we do our advent calendar. Today would be day 4, I believe. Yes, because yesterday we did 3, right? Yeah. So day 4 is down here. And okay, looks like another skincare product. It is an exfoliating body scrub for smooth skin with bamboo powders. Oh, powders. I can't read. Bamboo powders. It's like, it says it softens, smooths, and firms. Pretty much you just use it like a normal scrub. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it's the same size as, actually it almost feels a little bit bigger than the other 2 that we got. Ugh. Yeah, it's actually a little bit bigger. So very cool, excited for this. I feel like I'm saving all of the skincare stuff until I have opened this whole advent calendar. That way I can use the skincare like all together. And then I'm hoping that there's makeup products in here because that would be a dream. Breakfast time. So it's a little bit later. It is freezing outside. Oh my God. I guess I could turn the heater on. Hello. Yeah, it's a little bit later and I'm on my way right now to, where am I going? I'm on my way right now to go drop off 2 packages at UPS. Also I have a dentist appointment, so that sucks. Okay, this car. Oh, slow your fucking roll, sweetie. I have a dentist appointment today, unfortunately. It's just for a cleaning, but still, it's just like, ugh. It's not even that I hate the dentist, it's just that it's like a waste of my time to be sitting there for an hour. That sounds so bad, but dental hygiene is important, ladies and gents, so this is your reminder to go get a cleaning if you are overdue, like I am. To be fair, I'm overdue because of COVID, so there's that. So I stopped at Target to pick up, I swear, that was the last of the gifts I need to get for the rest of my coworkers, like the office staff and whatnot. And I dropped that off at home along with just a couple grocery items. And now I'm headed to the dentist. After the dentist, I'm going straight to go like do a little workout again with my sister, get that done and over with, and then I'm headed home, probably gonna shower. We're gonna do chicken sandwiches again because last night that was literally the best dinner I've had in a very long time. It was so good and so simple. So we're gonna do chicken sammies again, and I don't know what else we're doing tonight. I know I wanna give Carlos a haircut, and he said I could. Do we trust that? I don't know. I've given him a haircut before, but it was literally a guessing game. I mean, I was guessing where to cut and how much, and it happened to come out good, but like, is it gonna come out good again? Do I have that great of luck? Not really. So we'll see where the night takes us. I know I do want to get some gift wrapping done also, so I'm headed to the dentist now and then to go work out. Just got back from the dentist. No cavities. Thank you, Lord. I want to do a little Target haul before I go work out with my sister. I got a whole bunch of shit I don't need. These little weekly meal plan tablets, they were only $1 each, and then a weekly to-do, also $1. I actually just ordered one of these on Amazon for $10. Returning. I want to start planning meals for the week and then doing like the Walmart grocery pickup. I just feel like that's easier instead of spending so much time, so much effort going into the store and shopping. I got 2 dog TOYs. I don't want Cash to see. Neither of them are for him. They are for my brother's dogs for Christmas. They were actually buy one get one 40% off, which was cool. I also got some of these really cute to and froms that are like ties. I always do like the stickers, but I wanted these for some of these staff gifts that I got. So the staff gifts that I was showing you guys yesterday, I told you guys that the volunteer, Grandma Kathy, she isn't an employee of our district, so I don't think she can stop by campus to get it, so I was gonna mail hers off. But I talked to her today, and I feel like I just wanted to add a couple more things, even if they're like small things. because I'm going to make her a cute little like Christmas package and ship it to her house. So just some of the things that she was saying, like I just felt bad. She was like, I'm afraid to leave the house and this and that. So I got her some snacks. I got her some of these Sweet Heat barbecue. I feel like she loves spicy and she loves barbecue, so she might like these snacks. And then trail mix. She is a huge fan of M&Ms, so got those for her. And then I just thought these were interesting, and I don't know if they're new, but they're jalapeno flavored pretzel pieces. So I got those for her. And then she loves instant coffee, and I saw these like individual packs, so I got her that as well. And then of course she's still getting her monkey bread pack, her gift card. And then a long time ago I ordered her this. She loves leopard print, so I ordered her a leopard print reusable mask from Fashion Nova. So this is what I have so far. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add anything else or not. It just depends on like what I see when I'm out and about, if I'm even going to be out and about. I do want to get this mailed off at least by this weekend though, so this could be it. Yesterday I showed you guys these cute little hot chocolate mixes that I got. Those are gonna be for some of my other coworkers at work. And then I also picked up while I was at Target 2 of these brittle nut medleys, because I think these are just so easy, so cute to just slap a bow right on the top, done, with one of these gift tags. So these will be for 2 more people in our main office. So I think I'm done actually with shopping for all of them. Thank God, because whew, it's exhausting going out there. Also, as I was pulling up, FedEx man was outside with my Boxy Luxe. So that's what it looks like. And I'll just quickly run through. Wow, this is a huge card. The theme is bubbles and glitz. And this is the biggest card I've ever seen in my life. So we'll just quickly run through what I got. First thing I see is this iconic London face palette. It retails for $55 and it has a large mirror and these shades here. There are bronzers, blushes, and highlights in this palette. I really don't see a highlight. I don't think that would be light enough for my skin, so this might go in a giveaway coming up in the future. Then we got the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This is what it looks like. Really cute packaging. This retails for $85. Then we got another Hip Dot palette. I know we got a like pinky purple Hip Dot palette a couple months ago. This retails for $30, and this is more of like a blue and green color scheme. Mostly blue. There's like some more like brownish shades up in here, but mostly blue, which I don't wear, so this will definitely be put into a giveaway or given as a gift. I just am not a fan of blue eyeshadow on myself, so I know I won't get any use out of that. Then we got another Luxy Brush Set. I know I said I don't need any more brushes, but this might just be a keep because this is so cute. I mean, this red leather with the gold accents. It says Luxy, like it's like embossed. Is that the right word? Embossed? I don't know. But this retails for $85, and you actually get quite a bit of brushes, and they're all gold. I mean, the handle is gold, the barrel is gold, like everything is gold. They are beautiful, and I absolutely love the quality of Luxy brushes. So I'm really excited. It looks like we have 5 eye brushes and 3 face brushes. So this is definitely gonna have to be a keep. Then we got some earrings, which is different because I don't think we've ever gotten earrings in Boxy Charm before. These are Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor cushion cut halo stud earrings. This is what they look like. They're really pretty. I don't typically wear silver, but they're actually really pretty. But I think this might also be a gift. I don't know. These retail for $36. Then we got a beauty sponge. This is Billion Dollar Beauty, and it is a vegan charcoal infused sponge. This retails for $15. And I just feel like you can never have too many beauty sponges, so that is great. Then from Sol de Janeiro, we got the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. Really cute packaging. The color is right here, just like a natural color. This is something I'll definitely keep. It retails for $20. Such cute packaging. Oh my God, stop. How does this work? Oh, perfect. Ooh, it smells so good. And it's just like this really pretty natural color. Dude, that smells so good. Last but not least, we got this. It is by the Lifestyle Company, 100% natural calming temple rub. I'm not rubbing anything on my temples. It's lavender scented. It's a super blend of oils. It can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. This is what it looks like. I mean, I'm not a fan of like essential oils and like all of that stuff. But I mean, I guess I could give it a try if it relieves headaches. A lot of the time I wake up in the morning with the worst headache ever because of the way I sleep. But I don't know if it's gonna like relieve that kind of a headache. I don't know. We'll see on that. It retails for $24. I also don't see how that could be $24. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I thought this was a pretty good Boxy Luxe. I still have my other Boxy Luxe coming. So once I get that, which I thought would have been here today, I will do another unboxing. It'll probably be in another vlog. So I'm all done with my workout with my sister and I'm cooking dinner again. Same thing. Sizzling up a piece of chicken right now. I love these because they are super thinly sliced. I get them from Target. And then I'm gonna toast up my bun, add my avocado, my onion, and this is the honey mustard I use. It's only 10 calories for 1 teaspoon. So I probably use like 2 or 3 teaspoons worth. Tater tots are already done. I'm just having the exact same dinner as yesterday because it was that good. So I'm gonna finish all of this and I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna take a shower because yeah, girl stinks.
Looks like dinner is served, kid. Thanks.
Literally, that's all I left him. Yes.
Oh, well, let me just get that real quick. Stuffed.
Told you I would make you more.
But did you?
No, because you said no. So we just picked up a like curbside pickup from JCPenney. It was a gift that Carlos had gotten. And I am just putting bows on the peanuts. Like what?
On the what?
Peanuts. Peanuts.
There we go.
I didn't say penis.
Sound like penis.
No.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart.
This lighting is the worst, but I wanted to quickly show you guys something. I had mentioned the other day that I thought this was so sick and Carlos got one for me. Let me take that off. It's a Kirkland crew neck sweatshirt. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed with it. It's like even embroidered. Well, the signature part is embroidered. This is like, what is that called? Like that plasticky feel? Don't know, but it is so sick. Just a white crew neck with some jeans. Oh, I'm obsessed already. Cool, it's pretty lightweight. He got me a men's XL, which is a ladies 2X, so I'm excited to wear that. Honestly, I have nothing else planned the rest of the night. I'm gonna lay in bed and edit, maybe watch a couple videos on YouTube. I have some Vlogmas videos to catch up on, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 16, and I will see you tomorrow for Day 17. Bye.